Hi everyone, it's me Faisal Jaman and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a standing product page that will help you to convert your visitor to customer. And guess what? It's a super simple thing, and today I'll show you all the stuff using free template and doing free customization, and your brand visually will be outstanding. And then I will show you a tricky part. Let's start today's video. So it's very easy, and so let's jump in. Now let's install some plugin. Just go back to WordPress dashboard and click add new plugin, and here you will search Elementor, and these are the Elementor. So here these are the Elementor. You just click install like this, install now button. So if you are a web designer and web developer or agency owner looking for a build professional website for your client, I have some fantastic recommendation for you. First up, Elementor is hands down for the best page builder for WordPress. But here is a please do not use the null version plugin for your client website. I will highly encourage to check my affiliate link. Not only will you get deal, but also be supporting my work, so I can continue create helpful content for you. And so we will install another plugin, that is shop engine, and we will create another one. We will download another plugin, that is WP Vibe frontend editor. Like I am searching the link, this is our link, WP Vibes frontend product editor for WooCommerce. I'm just searching this website URL and click this frontend product editor and click get started. And these are the starter pro starter. These are the free and paid difference. You just click this free version, start with free, and I'm using a free one, that is frontend product editor. And we will install this plugin to our WordPress. Just go to our product section and click add new plugin, click upload plugin and choose the file, upload that plugin and click install now. Once it install it, just go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to your plugin, all plugin option, and here I will activate two plugin, that is frontend product editor and also shop engine. This is the shop engine. All right, so here I will go back to our next process. Now before we create a custom product page, we need to do quick thing, that is first go to shop engine. Here are the shop engine menu and click it over here left side panel and hover over. You can select it manually and click next step and click next step and also click next and also click next, and finally this is the final one. I will click setup, done, and save changes. Congratulations, your shop engine has been activated. Now let's move on to create a new template. Here you will click the build a template option, and here you will click the new template. Here the name, here a pop-up will appear asking to name your template, and you can use one of the pre-made template if you are a rush, but for this video I'm going to select a blank template for a new for you can see how to personalize everything with scratch. So here set it as a single, and is a single one, and click just only save changes. Once your name done, template toggle option button, here you will see template toggle option status is inactive. So this template is actually right now is showing inactive. Just click again edit option, and here the activate option, just click yes and save change. We will toggle that one. So now we will see create a template list and ready to be editable. So let's click edit with Elementor here. Just click, and here you will prompt to choose product for your template. So here I'm choosing some products. Right now I'm seeing here is nothing product available, so I will upload a product, and then I will come back to this page. All right, I have uploaded two product, and now again go back clicking this edit with Elementor, and here I will picking the product. Here the product 1 and here's product 2. I will pick one product, but don't worry, through this template will apply for all product, so not just one single product you have right now choose it. This design, but this layout is actually work for all those products. So now pick this product 1 and product and click edit with Elementor. Now that we are in Elementor, so let's start building a layout for product page. So first click plus icon and take a container, and I will take it this icon container that is this on a structure, and this container will be full width. Okay, so now I will add a notice widget. Just going to this plus icon and click global. Here I will search notice widget. These are the notice widget. I'm just drag and drop it over here, and these are actually top alert customer. When they add something into the cart, simply drag. I have drag and drop it over here, and it's look like this. Again, the next step will be left right split layout for product image detail. So here next container, I will click plus icon, and this container layout will be 2 column structure. That's I'm clicking this one, and structure will be this 2 column structure. And here let's add a container layout on site. I will drag a new widget. I will drag the image product image widget, PRO product image. So these are the product image widget. You have to look this option on the corner of this widget here. As you can see, this is the shop engine logo. So this is the product image. I will drag and drop it over here. Customize it as the photo style. So I will add some border radius over here. I'm just clicking this pen icon and going to the style option and border radius. I will put some border radius will be only 10 pixel border radius. So this is the some border radius. You can customize it for own and whatever actually you want. I will here this is the show batch. If you turn off this show batch, it will will be gone, and other stuff will showing other stuff is available here. Now let's add a product detail. So first I am going to drag the product category widget. So here I will type the product category widget. So these are the product category. I will see this icon of this widget. This is a shop engine, and drag and drop it over here from the sidebar. So here if I go to style option, from this sidebar you can just adjust the style and select the category whatever actually you want. So I'm just keep it as it is, and again I will go back clicking this plus icon. Here I will search product title, and again drag and drop it over here. So here go to the style option, and these are the alignment, title color, and also all those stuffs. And you can and actually typography of the title. Now I am leaving, but feel free to customize it if you want. And again clicking this plus icon, I will search another one. So let's start let's add product widget. Like it's not product rating, product rating. I'm confirming this is the shop engine project widget, and just drag and drop it over here. If I go to this style option, you can adjust the alignment, color, and spacing. So all our stuff is over here. So now I'm leave it over right now. So now let's add another one, that is product description, and drag and drop it also under this review. So you can adjust. So these are the product description. I actually put dummy content. So here I will alignment much. You can set it right here, and you can change the color. And of course here I will add another widget that will be a product. So leave it this awkward content, and I will just drag another one, that is add to cart, and make sure it is it and add to cart will be this one, and drag and drop it over here. All right, so here the quantity settings, it is default. You can set it both side, it will change this over here, and right side, left side, whatever actually you want. Just I'm just keeping default one. Well, from the settings, you can change the all the stuff, like how many stock you have. You can showing is over here variation, and ordering a hide this. If you want to hide buy button, you can directly uncheck this option, and if you want to wish list option, you can hide it, and you can also hide the add to cart option if you want, and also comparison option. Okay, so I actually need to buy now. All the stuff I also need, you can if you want, you can just turn on and off. Okay, now I will add another one, that will be, so here I will add a plus icon. I will taking a structure here. This structure will be full width if you want. I will keep it box, and click plus icon, and here I will search product review, PRODUCT product review, and drag and drop it over here also. So all our product review is showing is over here, and again I will drag another one, related product, and drag and drop it also over here. You can customize how it looks from the left side here, whatever actually you want. Right now it's showing one product, right? Because I have upload two product. And now here click the save change or publish the product. Once everything looks good, hit the update option, save your custom product page. Now your template is completely ready. So here are the all template. So I will actually remove the text from here. I actually don't go to my WordPress dashboard for WooCommerce dashboard for changing all the stuff. Next step, this step will be how to change the content or everything from this front end. Now here is the really cool part, and normally if you want to make change to your product, like editing on the description and or price, you would have to go back to your WordPress dashboard. But this product, you already know or earlier know, we have installed a plugin that is this plugin, that's frontend product editor for WooCommerce. And if you go to any of your product and click view your product, and here I will show you like a really cool part. So before start this last step, I will actually announce, that is, let's talk about the hosting. So if you actually are a web designer, a developer, whatever actually you want, but if you need a website hosting for a client, so Hostinger platform is for you. I personally trust and recommend this website or hosting provider. Is actually fast, secure, and affordable, making it perfect. But the personal or business website, here you will get 20% discount. I have made a video about it. Here I will show you how to get discount, 20% discount. It will highly discount from my affiliate link. You will get, if you get anywhere some coupon code, and if you place that coupon code, and that will get only 10%. But if you use my affiliate, you will get 20% affiliate discount for your affiliate link. So here it will save your much more money. You can watch this video. Actually I describe how many money you will save from my affiliate link if you purchase. So let's let's start that one. So the tricky part and the really cool part of this over here. So if you open any product of WooCommerce, any product from here, it will just show this icon, and this icon is update product option. So this features comes from this plugin, frontend product editor for WooCommerce. And in frontend, directly you can change the content, right? So here I will delete this option, this is all the description, and also I will delete some of option. I will delete this one and when I click update. And also here I will put some another text, product update it and click update. Once you hit update, and it will show all product image from here directly from front end. It will change the product description and product title. So hope this video actually very effective for you, and that's it. So your customer product page is right now is live, and now you can easily make change right from the front end. No need to go back to dashboard, right? Sometime it might be you actually work all the stuff. Now you have to submit the project for your to your client, and that time sometime needs to make a video for your client how to upload product title, how to change the product and description, and you have to make the video for your client, and they can see this video, and they can change by own. Right now here, each and every product your client will see this option, and instantly your client change this price, inventory, and shipping. And if you need more stuff like link product and the downloadable and attributes option, and that will be the premium version for this plugin right now. This is a front-end product editor plugin. So if your client actually need update version, and it will show it, you can do. But yeah, these are the video. So this actually save client time and makes easier to keep the shop page fresh and updated. So hope you found these videos very helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just comment below. So if you are just comment below, your YouTube algorithm will understand this video actually helpful or not. Please comment below. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.